Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about two major types of settlements in Pakistan. The first is rural settlements and the second is urban settlements. Pakistan is one of the most populous countries in South Asia. According to data collected by the World Bank in 2019, almost 37% of the population resides in urban areas, while 63% is living in rural areas. Let's explain them one by one. In rural settlements, two-thirds of the total population of Pakistan is living. On the basis of pattern, there are following categories of rural settlements. The first category is clustered and nucleated. It's found in Punjab and Sindh. The second category is dispersed, and that is found in Chitral, Dir, Azad Kashmir, Thar and some parts of Balochistan. And the third category is linear, and its best example is Swat Valley. If we talk about the occupation of people in rural areas, the people have agricultural activities, cattle rearing and fishery. In urban settlements, population is increasing day by day because of economic opportunities like jobs and trade, public facilities like health, education, postal services and proper infrastructure. Urban settlements are categorized on the basis of time, location and function. Let's explain them one by one. The first category in urban settlements is ancient cities. Peshawar, Taxila, Multan, Thatta, Sahiwal are examples of ancient cities. For example, Mohenjo-daro is one of the largest settlements of the Indus Valley. It existed from 2500 BC to 1500 BC. In 1980, it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The second category is modern city. Islamabad is an example of modern and planned city. The third category is administrative city. In these cities, state offices and ministries are performing administrative works. All the provincial and federal capitals are considered administrative cities. For example, Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar and Quetta. In the fourth category, we have industrial cities or towns. These cities are developed because of industrial growth. Karachi is the main industrial and port city of Pakistan that is located on the Arabian Sea. Some other industrial cities are Faisalabad, Sialkot, Gujranwala, Lahore, Hyderabad, Hattar and Hub. The fifth category is mining cities. Khewra is a major example of a mining city. And the last category is the educational city. Such types of cities are famous for providing the best educational facilities and have become educational centers. For example, Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar and Islamabad. Lahore is also known as the cities of colleges. And now is the time to have a learning check.